Hi Anna, how are you doing today?
I'm great, Sonia. How are you?
I'm good. I'm just want to talk to you a little bit about getting a CPA license here in Nevada or just in general, and how you would normally go about this. We're
Great.
trying to record this because we have gotten many questions from different people all over the state, and we want to kind of record it so you have a resource where you can look this up.
Wonderful.
Okay. So my name is Sonia Pippin. I'm a professor at the University of Nevada, Reno. I'm also the director of our Masters of Accountancy programs, and I've been in that position I've been at UNR for 17 years and the director of the programs for 12.
I'm Anna Durst. I'm the CEO of the Nevada Society of CPAs, and I'm also a graduate of UNR.
Okay, so Anna, this is something that's been actually asked quite a bit, and I'm sure you've gotten that question before too. What has changed? There's been some changes recently for Nevada CPAs or how to become a CPA. So what are those?
Yes. Yes, so the two biggest changes are with regards to the hours of experience. So as of July 1st, all candidates, regardless if you're in public accounting or industry, need 1 year of experience or 2,000 hours under the supervision of a CPA. It was formerly 2 years in public accounting and 4 years in industry, but now everybody is the same. It's 1 year, 2,000 hours under the supervision of a CPA. The other big change is just how the credits are assembled. We used to need 9 credits of financial accounting, which is your 401, 402, 403 at UNR. It's been moved to 6 credits. Now, that does not change the total number of credits needed to be a CPA. It just changes just what the count is under financial accounting. And that was to align the universities in Nevada because UNR and UNLV had slightly different credit formats.
Also,
And
yeah,
no, go ahead.
I was going to ask about the education. This is something also a lot of people ask because they want to know, well, what exactly do I need and how do I get those credits?
Great. That's what I was just going to mention. So good question. You still need 150 education hours to be a licensed CPA. Sitting for the exam you can do at 120, and there's some different things there that we're not discussing today, but to become a licensed CPA, you need 150 education hours, and you can get that through a dual major. A lot of people, for example, are accounting/IS, and they end up getting the 150 that way, or maybe they changed majors. So by the time they're done just with their undergraduate degree, they have the 150 hours. You can get your bachelor's degree and then go back and take other classes. You can do that at many different universities at many different levels. And you just take classes that hopefully improve what you've already learned with your bachelor's degree. Or you can get a master's degree. It is not required, but a master's degree is one of the more typical ways that students get to that 150 hours. And there's lots of different ways to get a master's degree, different paths, and that's not my expertise. So I'm going to ask you, Sonia, what are the options for getting a master's degree in the College of Business?
I'm glad you asked that, Anna. So yes, we have a lot of different master's degrees that are offered at the University of Nevada, Reno, at the College of Business, or just in general. I think the most obvious one would be the master's in accountancy. That's especially true if you come from a different background and you haven't really had as much accounting yet. And there's 2 degrees that we offer. We have a regular, called either live or on-ground program, and an online Master of Accountancy program. So both are offered through our department. Another option is, and that's probably more something for somebody who already has a degree in accounting, they might want to get an MBA. And again, there's 2 options, the online option and the on-ground option. And that's a little bit online versus on-ground. That's kind of up to you. I put it out there because some people just really like the online option the flexibility, the way that you can, like, all those classes are not synchronous, so you can basically learn on the go. And others just really like that live interaction, going on campus, having to be there at like 5:30 in the evening, things like that. So it's kind of up to you. The business analytics, that's only online. That's also a new program offered through the IS department. And of course, there's a lot more. There's a finance and economics degree. And then there's also, of course, the ones that are not in the College of Business. Those are probably not as, not the ones that you would want to go for if you want a CPA license. And there is the link where you can look all that up. And now, why would you want to get a master's degree in accounting? Again, especially if you don't have an undergraduate degree in accounting, you really need to get those education credits to sit for the CPA exam, and then also especially to be licensed. But if you already have a degree in accounting, you might think, well, I don't need that. And my pitch always is like, well, you don't want to just sit for the exam. You want to pass the exam. And getting that degree, getting these additional courses that focus on a lot of technical knowledge, but also a little bit of the broader picture, will help you pass the exam. In addition to that, while in the moment it might seem something like, why would I need a graduate degree? I don't need it for my job. My employer is not asking for it. The CPA license is not asking for it. At some point, it might be really beneficial when you can say, hey, I have a master's degree. I can be promoted to this position or that position. Or when you're looking for a job and you're identical to another person, but the only difference is that master's degree, then you have a competitive edge. So it's a really good way to get those 150 hours and get another degree. So, and it's attractive to future employers within the Reno area, and especially if you want to go outside of Reno, Bay Area or something like that. There's some more information about both the different kinds of degrees that we have at the University of Nevada, Reno, the master's degree in accountancy and those other degrees. So you can look that up on those links.
Right. And to find out more about what it takes to be a licensed CPA, because there are a lot of requirements, we have a link here to the Board of Accountancy, the Nevada Board of Accountancy. They are really great. If you have any questions at all, you can go to their website, but you can also call or email them. All of that information is on their website, or you can reach out to the society. I am always happy to discuss nuances and details that are individual to each person, because we want to help you on this path and make it as easy and quick as possible for you. And we don't want you to get frustrated, because being a CPA is wonderful. It's a great career opportunity. And so we want to make sure that we're helping you regardless if you're a member of our organization or not. So please feel free to reach out. And of course, you can always reach out to Sonia. Her information is on the next slide. My personal information is on the next slide, I believe. Yeah.
There we go.
Again, we team up. We want to support anyone who wants to choose a career in accounting, become a CPA, get their master's degree, whatever your goals are. We're here to assist you. And we hope that this is one piece of information that can help you make your choice.
Yes, thank you so much for meeting with me today, Anna. And for everybody who's listening to this, feel free to reach out. Hopefully this was helpful. Thanks so much.
Thank you.